Assalamualaikum to all and welcome back to my channel. This is me Maryum Usman and today I'm back with another creative video जिसमें मैं आपसे 10 DIY paper crafts share करने वाली हूँ. So keep watching and subscribe my channel. Take 2 colored papers and cut 2 strips according to the given measures. Now fold it like this and shape it like a heart. Use German glue to paste it. Do the same thing with the second one. And then attach all the hearts one by one, as you can see. And here it is ready. So this is the final look. Pick a colored paper of your choice and cut 6 circles of 10 cm. Then fold them all like this. And paste them together. Now take a black colored paper of 2 cm width and 15 cm length and cut one strip और then gum stick की help से इन्हें attach करना है. Then fold the upper and lower sides well. Then use a golden marker to create these lines. To make them more beautiful and attractive. Now take a thread and arrange them all. Take a paper and cut 12 strips according to the measures. Then hold them together and fold them once. Staple it in the center and start folding the strips one by one and paste them like this. और इस तरह से one by one strips लेके इस फ्लावर को complete करना है. After that, cut 5 small circles of glitter sheet and paste them well on every flower. So here is the final look. Pick a colored paper and cut 3 strips according to the measures, like 21, 25 and 28.3. Now take first strip and paste its edges like this. Then pick the other 2 and do the same thing. After that, take a black colored paper and cut it according to the given measures. पेपर को 2 सेंटीमीटर तक माइनर से फोल्ड करते जाना है और ग्लू स्टिक की हेल्प से इसके एंड्स को ज्वाइन कर देना है। Then attach them like this and let it dry for 5 minutes. They will absolutely look stunning on the wall. Take a colored paper and cut 10 strips according to the measures. Pick them together and staple one side of the strips. Then first और last strip को skip कर देना है। और बाकी सब strips को German glue की help से इस तरह से attach करना है one by one. Now attach the first and last strip जिसको हमने skip कर दिया था। अब हमने उसको स्टेपल की हेल्प से उसको अटैच कर देना है और ये हमारा फ्लावर कंप्लीट हो जाता है। Take a colored paper and cut it according to the measures. Then hold it and fold the one side and then other. और इसे पेस्ट कर देना है। अब ग्लू यूज करते हुए हमें इसे थ्रेड से अटैच कर देना है। बाकी सबको भी ऐसे ही करना है। Now cut 6 small circles and paste them all one by one to give them a nice look. Take a paper and cut 6 circles of 10 cm and fold them all twice. Then paste them all together with the help of glue, as you can see. अब हमने टूथपिक और थ्रेड को लेके जो फोल्डेड पीसेस हैं हमने उसके साथ अटैच करना है. देन वेट. Then wait and let it dry. After that, attach to both sides of the umbrella. Here is the final look. Take a paper and cut 4 strips according to the measures. Now put the strips like this and paste them in the same way. Then attach all the strips one by one. Pick a thread and arrange them like this. Take a A4 size color paper and fold it. Then cut thin strips from start to end. Then pick it slightly and attach it well. Pick a colored paper and cut it according to the measures. And paste its edges like this. Pick a thread and arrange them like this. I hope you liked this video. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll be back with my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.